Let's make one of the most delicious African meals you ever come across. Oh yes, we are making Ekwang. Ekwang is a dish whereby we use grated cocoyams and some cocoyam leaf and a bit of oil and some other spices that will make your meals taste great. We start by adding salt to the grated cocoyams. If you have a good blender as well, you can blend your cocoyams. After adding, we have to mix so that the cocoyam and the salt can blend together. Then we use our already prepared cocoyam leaves, which has been washed, to wrap or fold the cocoyam like so. You can see. Folding, you put in a pot which is well lining with oil and some onions. This is to help boost the aroma and prevent the ekwang from burning. Oh, this meal is so yummiest! You know, in the absence of cocoyam, you can use white yam, cassava in place, and you still have a great taste. If you don't have cocoyam leaves as well, you can either use bitter leaf, akongabong, or any other vegetable which is broad. And if you don't know how to arrange your cocoyam leaves, this is an example. After removing that big stem, you just pinch it and slice like so. We intentionally arrange the ekwang like so that we can add our stock, our crayfish, our dried fish, any other thing in the middle so that it can be equally distributed and everything will taste great. The next thing is to roast our peppers. You know, when you roast peppers, oh, let's check if it's ready or not yet. You know, when you roast peppers, it brings out the aroma and the taste, and it makes it taste hotter. Oh, and this is the secret ingredient. We call this country onion. I don't know how they call it in other languages, but this is the great booster of the ekwang. It makes it taste extraordinary. That is why African meals taste great, because we have so many herbs and spices that makes our food taste great. Now to end this meal, we add some oil, crayfish, and we just stir. Don't stir too much, just stir at the corners so that the ekwang does not scatter around. We need those lumps and we are good to go. So get ready to eat some ekwang.